What's up, YouTube? Back again with another unboxing. MegaBass Vatalion. This is the GG baby bass. The reason I'm fishing with this is because I see a lot of baby bass in the Aqueduct, as well as tule perch, and this resembles both really well. This guy is 4.5 inches. It's 1 3/8 ounce, and it's a floating bait. So what's good about this bait is out here in the Aqueduct, you fish these banks a lot, and what you could do is you could cast parallel to the bank and run it back with the current, and it's gonna float, but you could get it down about 3 feet. So you can cast it out down in the center here and work it back your way with the current, and you'll get hit. I'm gonna go ahead and skip to the footage of me catching on this lure here. This is just the unboxing, so let's skip to this footage of me getting on one. Let's get it. That is just sick. Look, I'm gonna pull him. Pause. See how he looks back? This is a must-have in your tackle box. Like, not saying that it's gonna catch a lot of fish when you're putting it on, but I know for a fact you're gonna get a quality fish on this. I mean, you just wait. I'm gonna keep casting this out and I'm gonna get a fish. This lure is 1 3/8 ounce. So if you look at my rod here, you can see 1 3/8 ounce. I can throw from a 1/2 ounce up to 1 3/8 ounce on this rod. And yeah, keep an eye on that with your guys' rods. Those that are asking, I have 30-pound braid, 30-pound Power Pro braid, and then I got 12-pound Seeger Red Label. Come on the MegaBass. I got one, fam. I'm here at the Tierra Sabita Bridge. My GoPro died on me, and I got on right now on this MegaBass Vatalion. Got into a bunch of grass. It's a striper. It's a striper, guys. See that? Look at that. On the MegaBass Vatalion, I was starting to give up. I barely got him. I'm gonna put the phone down. Whoo, doggy! Look how I hooked him. I literally hooked him in the head, look. I pulled him in like that, he was fighting. Oh man. Dude, let me pull out my GoPro battery real quick. I'm gonna get on the GoPro. Let's see. He's 25 inches. Try to get that on the camera for you guys. So from tail to head, 25. Let's get a weight on him real quick. That fool had me going for a second. Now I can go home happy. I've been out here for like an hour. That's a new PB. 6'2". 6 pounds, 2 ounces on the MegaBass Vatalion. Right here next to Lake Pondale. Look at that guy. Got him right in the head, dude. I thought I was about to lose him. I had to put my phone down for a second. My GoPro died. I walked all the way down to the under the 14 freeway. Walked all the way back. I said, you know what? I was getting ready to go to the car. I was like, you know what, let me cast out right here in front of this bridge. And yeah, dude, he smacked it on the way in. There you go, guys. There he is. Out of Palmdale, baby. When they say you can't get a striper out of the Aqueduct, you just gotta put in that time. You're gonna get one eventually. Went, paid out today. I'm here at Tierra Sabita, the bridge right off of Avenue S in Palmdale. It's beautiful weather out right now. I figured I'd be able to get one. So I'm just glad I did. I'm glad I got it on camera for you guys. If you guys like the video and you want to see more content like this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Drop a like on this video if you can. Share it with your friends. And yeah, man, I'm out here grinding at the California Aqueduct in the AV, where they say it's the toughest place to get a striper. We can still get them out here, guys. I'm trying to give you guys tips and pointers, and I'm pretty new at this as well. So when I do get some tips, I'm gonna try to give them to you guys. But that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.